the lights, the color.
Going out snowboarding on a mountain up north.
And I put Santa Claus on my cell phone, so when my kids were little, I used to tell them if they weren't good, I was going to call Santa Claus.
Wide open eyes, open presents, and everything is brand new to them.
Spending time with my family and loved ones.
Just doing nothing for 3 days would be pretty awesome.
I really enjoy the time that we're allowed to spend with our family when everyone's home.
Christmas morning when they come downstairs and see what's underneath the Christmas tree.
And also going home, because I don't really go home to New York that often.
And in the morning, everybody gathering at the table for coffee.
We have Nick, the holiday elf NYC, because that is where we met Nick the elf in New York City.
I love anything that sparkles, anything that glows. Something about lights on snow just screams magic.
Going on a sleigh ride.
My favorite part of the holiday season is getting together with the family. The meals, the camaraderie, the games, the fun.
Spending time around the Christmas tree, listening to Christmas carols with my family.
Seeing my granddaughter in southern New Jersey.
I love the festivities, I love the lights, I love the twinklings, I love the decor, and I love the fact that it's ski season, and for those people who know me, I love to ski and I love to tear it up on the mountain.
Christmas Eve, after we've been running around and seeing relatives and everything, and as a family we sit down at the end of the day, build a fire and turn the lights off and watch It's a Wonderful Life.
Watching all these video montages of people talking about their favorite parts of the holiday season.
Oh man, that just got meta.